install is all right here, minus your 4 bolts that go on, that hold your light on to your bumper. You first start off with removing those 2 bolts on each bulb. As you can tell, mine's already pretty damaged. Do these bolts real quick. And these are the bolts you'll be saving. Go ahead and pull that one off, put that to the side. Get your other one right here. And you see how that just popped right out? Oh, look, there it goes. You got a piece broken right here. Let me go ahead and get the other side done and I'll get right now that they're both pulled off, you'll climb underneath the truck and there's gonna be a quick connect on each side. Go ahead and see if I can find it. See how it's up there? You'll be pulling that loose, just like this. See if I can do it with one hand. Go up onto here like this. Pop the little lever.